Let's open it up and see what's inside. We have our chips, we have our beans, and we have our chicken, and it's already fully cooked. And we also have our cheese. Let's build. First, I'm going to be heating up my chicken and beans for 20 seconds in the microwave. Make sure to always take off the lid before you put it in the microwave. Now we're going to get the cheese ready. Make sure to always take off the lid of the cheese before you put it in the microwave because the lid is foil. So never ever put foil in the microwave. And always get an adult to help you get hot food out of the microwave. Mom, can you please get that? Okay, now the cheese for 20 seconds. And now we're going to open up our chips and put it on the plate. Mom, can you get that for me? Now I'm going to stir it, and then we're going to put it back in for 10 seconds. I'm so hungry. I'm very excited to eat my nacho kit because it looks really good, and I bet it will be. Okay, now it's time to actually build our nachos. This is how I build my nachos, but you can build it however you would like. So first, I'm going to spread out my chips. Put some chicken in there. Looks good. Now, we're going to put our cheese. Oh, yes. Okay. And we're going to put on a little bit of beans. And you can also add something that you already have at home. I will be adding bacon bits. Here's my nachos. Okay, now we're going to take a bite. That is so delicious. Make sure you pick up your meal every Monday and Thursday. They're serving at all 14 schools. Bye. Thanks for watching.